Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Change. Change. Where can we change her diaper? Where can we change her diaper? Where can we change her diaper? Morning. Morning. It's such a beautiful morning. It's such a beautiful morning. It's such a beautiful morning. Walk. Walk. Come take a walk with me. Come take a walk with me. Come take a walk with me. Low. Low. Her blood pressure has gotten really low. Her blood pressure has gotten really low. Her blood pressure has gotten really low. Research. Research. How's your research going? How's your research going? How is your research going? Girl. Girl. That girl is in my class. That girl is in my class. That girl is in my class. Guy. Guy. I've seen that guy in school before. I've seen that guy in school before. I've seen that guy in school before. Early. Early. I come to work so early every day. I come to work so early every day. I come to work so early every day. Food. Food. Let's buy some food. I'm hungry. Let's buy some food. I'm hungry. Let's buy some food. I'm hungry. Before. Before. Can I talk to you before you go home? Can I talk to you before you go home? Can I talk to you before you go home? Moment. Moment. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Himself. Himself. He cooked this turkey himself. He cooked this turkey himself. He cooked this turkey himself. Air. Air. I love the cold night air here. I love the cold night air here. I love the cold night air here. Teacher. Teacher. You are the best teacher ever. You are the best teacher ever. You are the best teacher ever. Enough. Enough. That's enough playing for today. That's enough playing for today. That's enough playing for today. Both. Both. You both need to change your clothes now. You both need to change your clothes now. You both need to change your clothes now. Across. Across. Your dog ran across the park. Your dog ran across the park. Your dog ran across the park. Foot. Foot. Her foot got caught in one of the ropes. Her foot got caught in one of the ropes. Her foot got caught in one of the ropes. Maybe, maybe. Maybe we can have ice cream for dessert. Maybe we can have ice cream for dessert. Maybe we can have ice cream for dessert. Toward, toward. He took a step toward her. He took a step toward her. He took a step toward her. Age, age. What is the average marrying age these days? What is the average marrying age these days? What is the average marrying age these days? Everything, everything. Everything is on sale. Everything is on sale. Everything is on sale. Love, love. I love music. I love music. I love music. Buy, buy. I am going to buy these shoes. I am going to buy these shoes. I am going to buy these shoes. Probably, probably. He's probably still asleep. He's probably still asleep. He's probably still asleep. Market, market. Let's visit the Sunday market. Let's visit the Sunday market. Let's visit the Sunday market. Send, send. Please send the package to my address. Please send the package to my address. Please send the package to my address. Build, build. He is going to build his dream house. He is going to build his dream house. He is going to build his dream house. Fall, fall. Be careful, you might fall. Be careful, you might fall. Be careful, you might fall. Phone, phone. Oh no, I left my phone at home. Oh no, I left my phone at home. I left my phone at home.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.